Good morning children, welcome to my class. So today we are going to start a new chapter. This is lesson 8 clothes in your EVS class. Okay, what is the most important thing to cover our body? The most important thing to cover our body is clothes. Because clothes cover our body, they protect our body from heat, cold, rain, okay, then you can say from the storm. So from so many things, the clothes protect our body. You have to understand why do we wear clothes? What is the usefulness of clothes? Okay, so we need to wear clothes to protect us from heat, cold, rain and dust. Clothes protect us from heat, clothes protect us from rain, clothes protect us from dust. Okay, so from so many things, from cold also clothes protect us. Why do we wear sweaters in winter? Why do you wear sweaters? Why do you wear mufflers? Why do you wear socks? Because to cover yourself, to protect yourself. The most important thing is to protect ourselves and our body, okay, from heat and cold. We wear clothes. Okay, so clothes are mostly of two kinds, cotton and woolen. See, if you go through the whole year, if you see, we wear cotton clothes and we wear woolen clothes. Okay, so these are the cotton and woolen. Clothes are of two types mostly. Now there are different kinds of fabrics available in the market. Okay, so we have to see here that, but mostly you see, you will find two types of clothes. One cloth is thin, that is cotton clothes is mostly thin. You will not get very thick. Cotton are not so thick, and woolen are thick clothes. Okay, that protects our body. So here we are studying that we need to wear clothes to protect us from heat, cold, rain and dust. Clothes protect us from cold, heat, rain and dust. And so many other things also clothes protect us. Okay, you have to, I will say you all those things. Clothes are mostly of two kinds, cotton and woolen. With some examples you see here, cotton clothes are thin, woolen clothes are thick. So here you see, clothes are of two types, cotton and woolen. So now you see, cotton clothes are thin, okay, and woolen clothes are thick. They are thick clothes, right? So you see here, we are talking here about cotton clothes and woolen clothes. Okay, we wear different clothes in different seasons. Now you see, in the rainy season what do you wear? Now inside the home you don't wear raincoat. Okay, but when you go outside, you go for your tuition classes, you go to school, what do you wear? You wear a raincoat to protect yourself. So you see here, we wear different kinds of clothes in different seasons. In summer we wear cotton clothes, in winter we wear woolen clothes, in the rainy season we wear raincoats to protect ourselves, and gumboots are also there. Now different slippers are also available that we wear in the rainy season. Okay, so all these things I'll teach you afterwards. Okay, now let us come to summer. Okay, in summer what do we wear? In summer it is too hot and we wear cotton clothes. You have to keep in mind, in summer it is very hot, scorching sun is there. Too much heat of the sun is there. Okay, we feel too much hot, we cannot go out. So in order to protect ourselves, we wear thin clothes. Okay, so that we get air. Okay, so we wear thin clothes in summer and thin and cotton clothes in summer we wear. So these clothes make us feel cool and comfortable. Why do we wear this type of clothes? Thin and cotton clothes, why do we wear? Because this type of clothes protect us and we feel cool and we feel comfortable. Okay children, today till here only I will teach you what type of clothes we wear in summer. We wear thin and cotton clothes in summer so that we may feel cool and comfortable. Okay children, just go through this lesson, give a reading of this first page. This is page number 40. Just go through this page. Clothes are mostly of two kinds, woolen and cotton and woolen. Okay, and why do we wear clothes? Go through all these question answers. Afterwards in my next class I shall discuss more. Thank you.